Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to prepare for your LLB examinations due to pandemic period. As you all know, Karnataka state government has been declared till up to 19th there will be a no opening of colleges. Physically they cannot open, they can conduct the classes through online. Even Karnataka State Law University also have been declared to conduct the online classes for various affiliated colleges from Karnataka. This is the situation our KSLU students are facing. So in this scenario, how to prepare for your LLB examinations during in this period? We may not know the lockdown may extend further. So this year, definitely, Karnataka State Law University will be going to conduct the examinations. There is no promotion or something like that. Definitely, they will be going to conduct the examinations. So, in this situation, how we can face, how our Karnataka State Law University students can able to face during this situation. So, here, my advice is to all our KSLU students, you need to take care of your health first of all. This is uttermost priority. If you have health, if you have good health, definitely you can able to succeed in the LLB medical course. That is the reason, please engage at least minimum of an hour a day, 30 minutes of each day. Please engage with your yoga or meditation. So this is very important. Why yoga or meditation is required for us? To boost our moral, boost our health, boost our concentration power. And if you engage with your yoga and meditation, definitely you will increase your concentration power. You will increase about to you will have a concentrate power. If you increase your concentrate power, definitely obviously your IQ level will be get improved. For that, yoga and meditation is very important in our life. This is very important to face this situation, present situation. If you have very good health, definitely whatever you read, definitely that will be get into your mind. Then secondly, we have to please get syllabus, your respective semester syllabus. Please do get collect from your colleges, whether it could be soft copy, whether it could be hard copy. Please first of all, please be get it. This is priority, you have to get it your syllabus. After getting your syllabus, please be you know study properly. What is the objective of the subject, and what are all the units are there, what are all the contents are there, what are all the law will be applicable for that subject, and what will be the reference books, what will be the prescribed books. Deeply you have to study. At least 1 or 2 days you spend with the syllabus to read about your syllabus, semester syllabus. Whether it could be whatever whatever semester you are in, please be study about your syllabus, respective semester syllabus. If you are at fifth semester, please be study. If you are first semester, please be study your first semester syllabus. So that is very important. If you know the subject, and if you know the contents, what it in ingredients, what it is, then only will come to know how to deal with that subject. This is second. And third is, you have to collect 5 years question papers. Myself recommended 10 years question papers, but due to pandemic situation, you don't have sufficient time to read it, and you don't have sufficient time due to lack of time. I am recommending in this video 5 years previous question papers. You take it, like 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, like that. You collect it, previous year question papers. After previous year question papers collected, please be write each questions, like all 5 years question papers. Please write in your paper all questions. If you are studying in Kannada, you write it in Kannada. If you are studying in English, write it in English. That is up to you. I'm not telling that which language is comfortable, that you can take it or prefer it. So you write it all those questions. Then after, please be answer for those questions. If you have the time, you can write it down. For that each question answer, you write it. For 10 marks question and 6 marks question, you write it down for yourself. Why I am suggesting for writing means, writing is also very important in the LLB examinations. Many of the students, they know very well about the subject and they know very well about the answer, but they were unable to write it in the examination because they don't have practice it writing. Writing also is very important, like your verbal and written, both communication skills are very important in the LLB examinations. So that is the reason I am advising to all our LLB students, at least write every day. Please be practice at least 1 hour a day, so that your writing skills will be improved and your writing speed will be improved in the examinations. So if you write it your notes, if you write it your assignments, if you write it for your questions, previous year question papers, you will have an idea about how to write in the LLB examinations, and methods how to be attend the 10 marks questions and 6 marks questions. I have already explained in my many videos. I have already explained. I have created playlist how to prepare for your LLB examinations, how to score your LLB examination, how to write your LLB examination. I have created many playlists in my YouTube channel. Please get in touch with those videos, so that how to write for 10 marks question, how to write for your 6 marks question, you will come to know. I'm not telling all those things in this video because due to consent of time, I'm not express. I'm not able to express all those things in this particular video. This video specifically uh, making for due to pandemic situation, how to prepare for yourself for the upcoming LLB examination. Because already Karnataka State Law University have been announced, academics have been started. There is no, the question of to not to conduct the examinations. Whether it could be pandemic, whether it could be you are dying or living, that doesn't matter for Karnataka State Law University. They will be going to conduct the examinations. If you prepare well, then only you can able to write your LLB examinations. So that is the reason here the best method is self preparation for yourself. Self preparation is the best method to pass your LLB examinations. No one will come to push yourself. You are the creator and you are the destroyer of your own destiny, my dear friends. So you take at least 5 years question papers and please be answer for those questions. How to source and answer, that also I made video. You can go through that video. So there are many textbooks, many guides available in the market. Whichever whichever books you are comfortable, you can go through those books, and you write those questions. Even in the Google, if you search for an question, you will get a number of answers for that also. While writing, it's very important whether it is correct or not. You have to justify it, and then after only you write it for those questions. So this is how to prepare your self studies. At least minimum 2 hours a day, please be stand for your LLB examinations. Please be study yourself for LLB course for respective semesters. So this is very important. I am not telling that full day you engage with. If you full day engage with, that is well and good for yourself. How many hours you will study, that will be a count. And Uh, my recommendation is minimum I'm talking about. I'm not talking about maximum. If you spend with 20 hours a day, I don't mind. That is for yourself. That is for your good. Here, my recommendation is at least minimum 2 hours a day. At least you uh, engage with at least minimum 2 hours a day. You will have an interest to study. You will have a keen about your studies. That is very important. You have to create yourself to get into your studies. Half an hour yoga, and second one is you have to collect the syllabus. After collecting the syllabus, you have to go through deeply about your syllabus. Then after you have to collect previous 5 years question papers. You have to write those questions. You have to prepare for each question answers. If you don't have time to prepare for your answers, anyhow you will have a textbooks. Please refer the page numbers for each question. um, anyhow question is there, from each question you have to write page number where it is, so that you can, if you go through the question, immediately we can go through the page numbers where answer it will be available. That also you can make it. If you have the you know, if you have very good speed writing, you need not to writing, so you can able to go directly go through textbooks for an answers, for an for question. You can able to go through answers in the directly textbook itself. This is the preparation method, and all the very best for your LLB upcoming LLB examinations. Academics have been already started by the Karnataka State University. Whether Karnataka affiliated colleges conducting academics or not, that doesn't matter for KSLU. KSLU will be going to conduct exams in the month of April or May, definitely. So that is the reason. Please be study about yourself. Please be prepare yourself. Uh, Whatever I have told the methods, please be follow, so that definitely will be get success in the LLB course. I'm damn sure that self preparation is the best method. Present situation, please be study yourself, and all students have been fed up with protest. All students have been fed up with court and cases. So that won't be happened in this year, definitely. If you have self study, you don't have any fear to write your LLB examinations. You can able to pass very easily. Please be follow my best methods which I followed earlier. So the same method you please follow, so that you will get success in the LLB course. So this is the best methods, and how to, in this video I have explained about how to prepare your LLB examination is the present situation, what we call Omicron uh, period. So I hope this video have been clarified your doubts. Thank you.